Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, it is time to make my protein coffees. We start with IsoPure Zero Carb Protein. You can definitely use any kind of protein or no protein. Then I use an instant coffee. Sometimes this brand, sometimes Great Value. I don't really have a preference. And then I pull out all my containers. I'm going to pull this one out because I'll leave it here for tomorrow morning. These two still have some from last week. So I'm going to keep them in there and just slide this out of the way. Get all my lids off and ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to start with my coffee first. Then if I forget which one I'm on, I can see whether there's brown or the white from the protein. So this is a 2 tablespoon scoop. So I use 2 tablespoons in my coffees. And I use this box just to hold it for once I'm done. But I need to set this out because I need to get more from Walmart when I go this upcoming week. So I'm going to leave that out there. So now I do the protein powder, which is white. So like I said, then I do brown, white, brown. It just helps my brain if I lose track. This comes with a bigger scoop and it's twice this size. So this one is a half size scoop. So I use half of a scoop of protein powder in my coffee. And you guys, I just ordered, I told you my team gave me a gift card for my birthday. And I've been buying a few things here and there, but I finally finished it off. I ordered me one of those water kettles. So it should be here in a couple days. But it'll just sit back on there and I'll fill it up in the morning. Or actually I can fill it up at night and then turn it on in the mornings. And then I'll be getting my hot water from that instead of the microwave. Because believe it or not, my experience anyway has been when you heat something up in the microwave, it does not stay heated up as long as when you pull it out of the oven or off your stovetop or whatever. It just does not stay as long, does not stay as hot as long. That's just my personal experience. So then I also do 7 grams of electrolytes. You can either pay $40 for 30 of these, or you can make your own for just a few dollars. And I make my own. The piece that's missing is magnesium, but I take magnesium in pill form because I just always have. So I don't need that extra magnesium. But then I use 7 grams of this electrolytes. I just found out that it weighs, I've been using less than what I needed to. So I'm going to weigh it out. I've been using a teaspoon and it should be more like a tablespoon, which that's all right. It's not going to kill me to do less. I have to stop at 14 because then I math is a problem for me. Okay. So hopefully in a couple days my water kettle will get here, and then like I said, I'll just leave it sitting up on my counter, and and I'll just use that every day, and then I'll be good to go. All right. And like I said, I use my electrolytes I take it to work sometimes, and I'll just add like a little bit into some hot water and drink it like hot cocoa. When the family was in town, that was something that I was able to do whenever it was cold at Christmas, and you know, if they drink hot cocoa or something, all I had to do was heat up some of my electrolytes, and I felt like I was part of the family. You can heat up some water, add in a splash of heavy cream or milk, and I know we don't do a lot of milk in keto, but sometimes you're in situations where a shot of milk will keep you from doing something you might regret. So if heavy cream wasn't available or something. Anyway, so there we go. That is how I make my coffee. Then I put it back in this box. And then as I drink these and use them up, after they're washed from the dishwasher, I put them back in, and I leave the lid open to make sure they get fully dried by the next week when I make more. So, and then usually I put this down in here, but I got to remember to order some. So there you go. That is my protein coffee meal prep process. Okay, bye. Here's the macros for my coffee. All right, goodbye.